Let's check out the Geelong Waterfront Campus of Deakin University. Overlooking Corio Bay, this metro campus covers fields such as architecture, design, business, nursing, and allied health. The building is home to almost 4,000 students, only slightly smaller than Waurn Ponds. Together, the two campuses provide the main university destination for Geelong students, with some international students also attending. The campus is on Western Beach Road, facing the bay and close to Geelong Railway Station. It occupies a series of restored heritage buildings that were once part of the city's port and wool trade, now converted into lecture theatres, studios, and learning spaces. Waterfront is compact and mainly academic. Most students come for classes with limited open space and only a small gym on site. The larger student facilities, including the main gym, sporting fields, and recreation areas, are at Waurn Ponds. A free shuttle bus connects the two campuses every 30 minutes, taking around 20 minutes each way. Many students living at Waurn Ponds use the bus to travel into the city for classes, while others head the opposite way for sport, club activities, or larger study facilities. Student accommodation is available in central Geelong, East Geelong, and Newtown, where apartments and share houses are within easy reach. Students also live along the coast in places like Belmont or Torquay, travelling in by car, bus, or train. Parking is paid at Waterfront, while some free parking is available at Waurn Ponds, where space is rarely a problem. Overall, Waterfront offers a city location with great access to the bay, connected by bus to Waurn Ponds for a broader campus experience.